Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to stand out in the tech world? Today, I am going to show you how to create an amazing GitHub portfolio that showcases your skills, projects, and achievements, whether you are a beginner or experienced developer. This video will help you to present your work like a pro. Let's dive in. First thing first, why GitHub portfolio is important. It's a digital resume for developers and tech enthusiasts. It showcases your coding skills, projects, and contributions to open source community. Most, uh, most recruiters look at the GitHub, understand how you work and what you built. So, having a professional GitHub portfolio can give you a edge over others. Step into getting a GitHub profile. So here is my GitHub profile and I make a repositories portfolio, and here is the readme file. Hi, my name is Parth and here is my bio like cybersecurity. My skills are put here: cybersecurity specialist, OSINT expert, penetration tester, passionate about ethical hacking and VAPT and cyber defense. About me, my educations, I'm from which degree I graduate and what degree I pursuing in masters. I specialize in networking, penetration testing, bug bounty, and OSINT. Content creators, I make videos on YouTube, and my skills over here is the Python languages. Coding languages is Python. So in the cybersecurity, VAPT and vulnerability assessment and penetration testing is much more like I explained in brief. OSINT tools like exif tool, recon ng, spiderfoot, final recons. I make video on YouTube. You will be check on my YouTube channel. Key projects is Ocean Recon Toolkit and VAPT scanning website. My Ocean Recon Toolkit is like you give the informations about your reconnaissance projects and website of Recon. Find the domains, IP address, email, social media, password OSINT. Here is my repository link. It's the VAPT scanning website. So in this website I explained over the all the things. You can finding subdomains, finding IP address, who is lookup, and make in the Python Django framework. And I have certifications like networking basics issued by Cisco, cybersecurity essentials issued by Cisco, ethical hacker issued by Cisco, junior cybersecurity analysis career path issued by Cisco, and ethical hacking essentials. So here is the link. I open the link and here is you can see my certifications in Google Drive. I will save in a Google Drive. Okay. And next is my resume. Here is the link you can see on my drive. I will upload my resume in my drive. Education content, I create videos explaining cybersecurity concepts, DVWA vulnerability series. I make a DVWA series on the YouTube channel. You can check it now, my DVWA damn vulnerability assessments. And you can connect with me LinkedIn. Here is the link, and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Before we wrap up here, some final tips make your portfolio shine. Keep your repositories organized and clean. Use meaningful commit messages. Regularly update your portfolio with new projects and achievements. Contribute to open source projects to showcase your collaboration skills. And that's it. You have to You now have a GitHub portfolio that ready to impress recruiters and collaborators. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.